Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're on US 11 North in concurrency with Interstate 81 North in Botetourt County, Virginia. We begin our rainy drive at Highway 11's mile 183. The rain is actually pretty light here, but the sky is so dark, the video you're seeing has been adjusted for a higher exposure. The conditions were not good for filming at all, and if we had had a place to stop for the night, we probably would have, in hopes of a sunny day tomorrow. We enter Rockbridge County, which had a population of 22,650 as of the 2020 census. The county's history dates back to 1777, when it was formed from land in neighboring counties. Rockbridge County was formed to reduce the length of travel to the nearest courthouse, as this was quite a remote area at the time. The county boasts tourist attractions such as the Natural Bridge State Park, the Shenandoah Beer Works Trail, and the Echo Adesso Vineyards. US 11 leaves I-81 at exit 175, which leads to Natural Bridge State Park as well as the Cave Mountain Lake Recreation Area. We enter the unincorporated community of Natural Bridge, which has a post office that has been in operation since 1800. The main attraction here is the Natural Bridge State Park and its namesake geological formation. Here you see wooden fences on each side of the road. This is where US 11 crosses Cedar Creek on the actual Natural Bridge. The fences have been put up either so that people won't stop on the highway to get out and admire the view, or so that people who haven't paid the fee to get into the park can see any of the natural wonder below. The natural arch over Cedar Creek is 215 feet high, consisting of horizontal limestone strata. The natural bridge is what's left of a cave or tunnel that Cedar Creek used to flow through. The land surrounding the bridge was surveyed by George Washington in 1750, and the surrounding land was owned by Thomas Jefferson. The Natural Bridge attraction was privately owned until 2013, when the land went up for auction. To prevent the land from falling into the wrong hands, the Virginia Conservation Legacy Fund purchased the bridge, hotel, and surrounding land for $9.1 million. The organization was unable to make the loan payments, though, so the Commonwealth of Virginia offered to manage the property as a Virginia state park. The state park began operation in 2016 and is owned by the Virginia Department of Conservation and Recreation. Visitors must pay a fee to get a view of the bridge from the trail underneath, but that fee is significantly lower than it was under private ownership. The admission fee includes access to the trail along Cedar Creek, which leads to the bridge, and the 30-foot Lace Falls waterfall. Our original intention was to stop and visit the state park, but the weather didn't allow for that. We conclude today's video at mile 197. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.